Hi everyone! Gas prices are going up everywhere, and Washington State is no exception. I decided to find out how to pay less without changing my car or my lifestyle. Today, I'm sharing 7 proven ways to save on gas. And stick around until the end because I'll share my biggest discovery, how I actually saved money by paying 26 cents more per gallon. Let's get into it. First, check your trunk. I used to keep so much unnecessary stuff in there. Every extra 100 pounds increases your fuel consumption by about 2%. So, clean out your car. It's the easiest way to start saving. Next, check your tire pressure. I do this once a month. Proper pressure isn't just about safety, it's about fuel efficiency too. It only takes 5 minutes, but you will definitely feel the difference. Now let's talk about timing. I noticed that prices change during the week. Tuesdays and Wednesdays are usually the cheapest days. I try to gas up in the morning while it's still cool outside. Fuel is denser when it's cold, so you get slightly more for your money. I never used to think about my route, I just drove. Now I try to combine my errands into one trip and check the GPS before I leave. Fewer stops and less traffic mean you'll use much less gas. It's a simple habit that really works. This is where technology helps. I use 2 apps, Gas Buddy and Upside. Gas Buddy is my go-to for price checking. It shows me the cheapest stations nearby in real time. Before I pump, I open Upside, find that station, and activate the offer. Then I just pay with my bank card to get the cash back. It's a double win. I'll put the links in the description. Change how you drive. I used to love accelerating fast at green lights, but that's a waste of money. Try to accelerate smoothly and let off the gas early before a stop. Imagine you're carrying a hot cup of coffee and don't want to spill it. Now for my biggest discovery. I decided to run a real-world test. At Arco, gas was $4.89 per gallon. At 76, it was $5.15. That's a 26-cent difference. Now, you should know I don't drive long distances every day. My routine is pretty consistent, but even with my low mileage and the exact same daily route, the results shocked me. A full tank from Arco lasted me only 2 weeks. But when I switched to 76, that same tank lasted me 40 days. I realized that cheap gas was actually burning through my engine much faster. By paying a little more for better quality, I nearly tripled the time between trips to the gas station. Don't just look at the price per gallon, look at the price per mile. That is where the real savings are hidden. Those are my 7 tips. Start small, check your tires, and download Gas Buddy today. If this was helpful, please subscribe for more practical tips about life in the US. See you in the next one.